Is it worth it? We got this used STACYC 12E drive, but there was one problem. It didn't come with a battery. Instead of buying another battery setup, I found this adapter that lets us use DeWalt 20-volt batteries we already own. It showed up in this tiny little box, and honestly, there's really not much to it. The adapter itself looks like it might be 3D printed. You can definitely see and feel some of that texture in the plastic. It's nothing fancy, but the design itself is pretty simple. One side connects to the STACYC, and the other accepts your DeWalt battery. But none of that matters if it doesn't actually work, so let's go ahead and try it. Installation is about as simple as it gets. The adapter slides directly into the factory battery slot. Mine was a pretty snug fit, so I had to give it a couple firm pushes to make sure it was seated all the way. Then I grabbed one of my smaller DeWalt 20-volt max batteries. It's compact, light, and we already had it in the garage. Slide the battery onto the adapter and lock it into place. And just like that, the STACYC has power. Now for the part I actually cared about. I hit the throttle and the rear wheel fired right up. Throttle works, brake works, and everything responds exactly like it should. Honestly, I'm impressed. There's no rewiring, no modifications, and we didn't have to buy another battery system. We took a used STACYC with no battery, plugged in a DeWalt battery we already owned, and brought the bike right back to life. So, is it worth it? For us, absolutely. Would buy it again, 10 out of 10.